Are you ready to unlock the secrets of effortless conversation with any girl? Dive into the realm of mind hacks tailored to banish your fears and ignite captivating interactions. Brace yourself for an adventure where curiosity replaces anxiety, imperfections become endearing, and confidence reigns supreme. These 10 transformative strategies will revolutionize the way you approach conversations, paving the way for authentic connections and memorable encounters. Get ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and charm as we unravel the mysteries of talking to any girl with ease. Step 1. Understand fear. Fear is often the barricade between you and a meaningful conversation. But here's the secret. Fear is merely a paper tiger. Its roar more intimidating than its bite. Recognize that the fear of rejection is a phantom, exaggerated by your mind. Shift your focus away from this fear by reminding yourself that she's just another person, with her own hopes, fears, and quirks. Embrace the notion that rejection is not a verdict on your worth, but merely a redirection. With this understanding, fear loses its grip, allowing you to approach any girl with confidence and ease. Step 2. Embrace curiosity. Swap your anxiety for genuine curiosity, the fuel that powers captivating conversations. Instead of fixating on how to impress her, focus on unraveling the enigma she embodies. Approach each interaction as an opportunity to learn about her passions, dreams, and experiences. Genuine curiosity transcends surface-level exchanges, fostering a deeper connection built on mutual understanding and respect. By embracing curiosity, you transform conversations into enriching experiences, leaving both parties intrigued and inspired. Step 3. Accept imperfection. Perfection is an illusion that stifles genuine connection. Embrace the beauty of imperfection, both in yourself and in others. Understand that flaws are not defects, but rather facets of our humanity. By accepting imperfection, you liberate yourself from the suffocating pressure of unrealistic standards. Embrace your mistakes as opportunities for growth and vulnerability, as a catalyst for authenticity. In doing so, you invite others to do the same, fostering an environment where true connection thrives amidst the beautifully imperfect tapestry of life. Step 4. Utilize eye contact. Eyes are the windows to the soul, and confident eye contact is the key to unlocking meaningful connections. Maintain a steady gaze, exuding confidence and interest in equal measure. Let your eyes convey sincerity and engagement, forging a silent but powerful connection with the girl you're conversing with. Effective eye contact not only communicates your attentiveness, but also establishes trust and rapport, laying the foundation for deeper conversations and genuine connections. Step 5. Master silence. In the cacophony of conversation, silence often speaks volumes. Embrace the power of pauses, allowing them to punctuate your exchanges with depth and meaning. Understand that silence is not awkward, but rather an opportunity for reflection and contemplation. Don't feel compelled to fill every moment with words. Instead, let silence work its magic, fostering intimacy and understanding between you and the girl you're conversing with. Mastering silence is the art of communication in its purest form, transcending words to convey emotions and sentiments with profound eloquence. Step 6. Be confident. Confidence is your most attractive accessory. Believe in yourself and your ability to engage in meaningful conversation. Stand tall, speak with conviction, and exude self-assurance in every interaction. Confidence is contagious, inspiring trust and admiration in those around you. By embracing your confidence, you command attention and respect, making it easier to connect with any girl on a deeper level. Remember, confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about embracing your strengths and owning your worth, flaws and all.